Welcome to another FEMITECH video tutorial. For this video, I will be looking at the Rain-X 810165 wiper blades. I will be giving you 5 reasons why you need to buy one. These are my 4 reasons. 1. This wiper blade cleans and repels the elements instantly. This is due to the fact that it applies water repellent directly to the windshield. 2. This wiper blade is a Superman when in use. When driving in the rain, the water instantly disappears off your windshield. This I believe will improve safety and comfort while driving in the rain or snow. 3. For installation you need not to think like a rocket scientist, as install is very simple and it fits over 95% of all vehicles. 4. When in use it is not just the middle of the blade pressure is applied, the pressure is evenly distributed along the entire blade. This uniformed pressure along the blade gives you a smoother wipe. Thanks for watching. Click the link below to learn more. Please remember to like and share the video. Also click that subscription button.